Hello and welcome to Fair Gaze Media. Today we are at Nutan Vidya Mandir with Mr. Gunendra Kumar Mishra, principal of the school. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to ask you, principal is a position which require intense time management. So how do you manage your time? How do you balance your life?
First of all, I would like to thank you for coming here and giving me this opportunity to speak. Let me tell you that principal is not a post which is generated out of the school system. After all, principal means that you have taught the classes, you know the children, you know the teachers, you know the syllabi, you know the pedagogy. So probably it's just the easiest thing to do as far as the managing time is concerned. Only thing is that one has to be focused all the time that kids should be at the center. No act of us as a principal or as a teacher unfavorable to the kids. We must always try to keep the children at the center, what we call in nowadays pedagogy as the child-centric approach of teaching learning process. Let me tell you that we have got plenty of time after managing the school to have our own personal life.
I'm sure you'll agree that teaching is a career that is growing in diversity. So, in your opinion, would you like to advise how they can follow these steps to reach the top level?
As far as the teaching is concerned, any teacher who is teaching primary level or any teacher who is taking senior level, teaching remains teaching in absolute sense. Pedagogy remains more or less same. Yes, the syllabus changes, the stage changes, the intensity of the classes might change. But as far as the teaching is concerned, as far as the approach of teaching is concerned, that remains more or less the same. So anybody who is teaching in junior level or pre-primary level can still aspire to become principal or become senior level, because you just keep upgrading yourself with the syllabus. But yes, there should be a desire. So I think there is no limitation that a teacher joining as a teacher at one level must sustain the same level till the retirement. Sorry to say, that is not required. Any teacher can join at any level and can keep upgrading himself or herself and become anything what he or she wants.
So, according to a global data, communication is something that is a challenging issue for us, which we are facing these days. So, as a principal, how do you communicate in your school environment to the students?
That's a good question, because when I was teacher, at times I used to feel that there is a gap, sometimes even the gap between the teachers and the students. Children are not very comfortable to come to principal office, and there is somehow a notion in the society that principal means a big thing who has got some certain big things all the directions, and that fear factor, which unfortunately could have been a respect factor, because there is very much similarity in respecting someone and having a fear about someone. Somehow I feel that children, they need to make understand that beta, respect, don't have a fear. So what I do personally in my school, child doesn't need to take permission to come to my, only children. Rest of the people need to take a permission. So that engage me as well as the children in a very good relation. So that fear factor which otherwise they normally used to have with principal, that is no more.
Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful interview. And all the students and teachers out there, we hope that this exclusive interview will help you. We'll be right here next time. Till then, you can log on to www.fairgaze.com.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.